Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Travelog from Pakistan. I am presently in Qatar to participate in an international conference. But this short vlog is not about that conference. It is about the state of Qatar. Because Qatar is hosting the FIFA 2022 from 10th November to 18th December this year, inshallah. Let me tell you something which I felt when I landed here. Qatar, as you know, is a small peninsular state in Persian Gulf or the Arabian Gulf. On the map, because of its size and population, you may not even spot it. But then, question is, how come Qatar is organizing the world's largest sports event in less than 10 years time that it had when the draw took place? My analysis and research says that Qatar is blessed with two things. Number one, Allah Ta'ala has blessed Qatar with abundance of natural resources. And second, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has given them an amazing visionary leadership. Yes, these are the two things that Qatar makes use of in making excellent preparations to organize this mega event. FIFA preparations are underway for last 10 years. As soon as the FIFA was announced, the father Amir, who had this vision of making Qatar as the sporting capital of the world, handed over the charge to young Sheikh His Highness Tamim bin Sani to take the country forward. And mashallah, Sheikh Tamim provided the necessary leadership to execute the vision of Father Amir. Today, Qatar is ready to host the mega event with 8 newly built stadiums. Each of that has an amazing architectural value. Every nation, or should I say many nations, tried to deprive Qatar from holding this mega event. Sometime they would label it against working on labor laws or even bribing the FIFA officials to get the hosting rights. But Qatar single-mindedly, Qatar's leadership, pursued the goal as a national aim or as part of its most important national interest. Alhamdulillah, today Qatar is ready and it is only 2 months away from holding this mega event. I sincerely wish best of luck to all Qataris, nationals and residents, Qatari leadership and the fans around the world, and urge them to visit Qatar during this time to see what is going to be the world's best FIFA event in Qatar. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.